Malcolm-Jamal Warner is much more than the lovable Theo Huxtable from The Cosby Show. From starring in iconic television series to making his mark as a director, voice actor, and musician, Warner has built a diverse career that's led to a net worth of $6 million. Join us as we dive into the life and legacy of this talented performer, examining his rise to fame, his achievements, and how he continues to influence Hollywood and beyond. Let's explore the man behind the success.
Malcolm-Jamal Warner was born on August 18, 1970, in Jersey City, New Jersey, to a single mother who would later serve as his manager. Named after the civil rights leader Malcolm X and jazz legend Ahmad Jamal, it's clear that Warner was born with a sense of purpose. Growing up, he was deeply influenced by his mother's dedication to helping him pursue his dreams. By the age of 9, Warner had already developed an interest in acting, attending acting schools in New York City to refine his craft. This early dedication set the stage for his future success. Warner's big break came in 1984 when he landed the role of Theo Huxtable on The Cosby Show. The sitcom, which ran for 8 seasons, became one of the most iconic shows in TV history. As the eldest child of Bill Cosby's character, Theo was a lovable, relatable teenager who tackled everyday issues with humor and sincerity. Warner's portrayal of Theo earned him critical acclaim and helped solidify his place in the entertainment industry. His time on the show didn't just bring him fame, it also earned him several accolades, including a Young Artist Award and an Emmy nomination. Bill Cosby reportedly handpicked Warner for the role after seeing his audition, a clear sign of his early talent. Beyond acting, Warner also directed episodes of The Cosby Show and ventured into music video direction, working with artists like New Edition and Special Ed, showcasing his creative versatility. After The Cosby Show ended in 1992, Warner's career continued to flourish. He starred in the sitcom Malcolm and Eddie, 1996 to 2000, which showcased his comedic talents alongside actor Eddie Griffin. The show ran for 4 seasons and solidified Warner's ability to headline a series on his own. Beyond sitcoms, Warner expanded his acting range by taking on dramatic roles. He starred in shows like Jeremiah, Listen Up, Read Between the Lines, and The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Warner's versatility also led him to voice acting, with one of his most notable roles being in the animated series The Magic School Bus, where he voiced the character of Arnold. Throughout the years, he continued to take on diverse roles, appearing in Community, Sons of Anarchy, Sneaky Pete, and The Resident, which showcased his range in both comedic and dramatic settings. Not content with only acting, Warner also pursued music and directing. In the 2000s, he released his debut EP, The Miles Long Mixtape, and continued to explore his passion for music with subsequent releases. As a bass player in his band Miles Long, Warner showcased his musical abilities, adding yet another layer to his already multifaceted career. In addition to his acting and musical endeavors, Warner has also proven himself as a talented director. He directed several episodes of Malcolm and Eddie and All That, further establishing his behind-the-scenes credentials. His work as a director and producer in both television and music has earned him respect from industry peers and fans alike. Throughout the 2000s and 2010s, Warner continued to build his career with roles in Hawthorne, Read Between the Lines, American Crime Story, The People vs. O.J. Simpson, and Suits. His portrayal of characters in serious roles, like the one in American Crime Story, earned him praise for his depth and ability to tackle real-life events with nuance. In the 2020s, Warner's career showed no signs of slowing down. He appeared in Major Crimes and Sneaky Pete, and he acquired the film and television rights to the book Freedom's Shore, further showcasing his business acumen and desire to expand his influence in the entertainment industry. Warner's personal life has had its ups and downs, including a notable relationship with Michelle Thomas, who played his girlfriend on The Cosby Show. The relationship ended in 1994, and tragically, Thomas passed away in 1998 from a rare form of cancer. Warner was reportedly by her side during her final days. This period marked a significant emotional chapter in Warner's life. Afterward, Warner pursued relationships with actresses Karen Molina White and Regina King. He was in a long-term relationship with King, which ended in 2013. Today, Warner is married and has a child, but he keeps his family life private, choosing to focus on his career while maintaining a level of privacy about his personal affairs. Malcolm-Jamal Warner's career and business ventures have paid off, and he is now estimated to have a net worth of $6 million. His earnings have come from his diverse career in acting, directing, and music. One of his most significant assets is his hillside home in Studio City, California, which he purchased in 1994 for $470,000. The home has since increased in value, reflecting Warner's continued success in the entertainment industry. Throughout his career, Warner has shown a commitment to giving back. He has been involved in various charitable organizations and causes, particularly those supporting African American culture and history. Warner's work has earned him multiple NAACP Image Award nominations, and his influence extends beyond his acting credits. He has used his platform to advocate for positive social change, making a lasting impact on both the entertainment industry and society at large. From his iconic role as Theo Huxtable to his impressive career as an actor, director, and musician, Malcolm-Jamal Warner's journey is one of talent, resilience, and versatility. With a net worth of $6 million, Warner has proved that his success goes far beyond the television screen. His dedication to his craft, his entrepreneurial spirit, and his contributions to the entertainment world have left a lasting legacy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Malcolm-Jamal Warner's career and life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on your favorite stars.